After the rollout of One UI 8 Beta 1, rumors and leaks have already started surfacing about the next big update, Beta 2, which promises new features, crucial bug fixes, and performance enhancements. Enthusiastic Galaxy S25 series users who have been testing One UI 8 Beta are eager to see what's next, with speculation of a broader beta expansion also heating up. Here's everything you can expect from One UI 8 Beta 2 for Samsung's flagship Galaxy S25 series. One UI 8 Beta 2, what's new? Samsung is reportedly testing beta build ZYF1 internally for the Galaxy S25 series, aiming to refine the user experience with smoother performance and interface tweaks. A well-known tipster at Unveiled has managed to access the new build and revealed key insights into upcoming improvements. Small Blue Diamond revamped One UI Home. With the ZYF1 build, Samsung's home screen app, One UI Home, is getting an upgrade from version 17.0.00.113 to 17.0.00.127, offering better functionality and an enhanced visual experience. While specific details haven't been disclosed, users can expect smoother navigation and refined aesthetics in the home screen interface. Small Blue Diamond fixing the app drawer spacing issue. One of the biggest complaints from Beta 1 testers was the awkward spacing between app icons and the search bar in the vertical app drawer layout. The Beta 2 update is set to fix this, ensuring a more polished and visually balanced experience. Small Blue Diamond widget scaling issue resolved. Another major bug affecting Beta 1 was the widget scaling problem. Widgets weren't resizing properly, making them look out of place on the home screen. With Beta 2, Samsung is implementing a fix so that widgets will scale correctly and fit seamlessly within the interface. Could One UI 8 Beta 2 expand to more devices and regions? Rumors suggest that Samsung might roll out One UI 8 Beta 2 to more countries, allowing a larger user base to test upcoming features before the final release. Additionally, Samsung could extend the beta program beyond the Galaxy S25 series and include Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 6. If these reports prove accurate, more Galaxy flagship users will have the chance to experience One UI 8 Beta 2 firsthand. Final thoughts. As Samsung continues to refine its One UI 8 experience, the Beta 2 update looks promising with important bug fixes and UI improvements that should enhance overall usability. Whether the beta program expands to more devices and regions remains uncertain, but Galaxy S25 users can expect a smoother, more optimized experience with the latest update.